Hi, you're very welcome, and today you're here with Anne Walsh of the Excel Expert, and today I'm going to show you how to construct an if statement. Okay, so here we have a sheet, and this sheet is available to you at the end of this blog post so you can practice on it yourself. And what we want to happen is, essentially we have a number of bands here with a score, and here we're told the bands are graded love them if they get a score of 50 or over, hate them if they get a score below 50. And I've actually set up the headings we want to use over here. Now you could also type them directly into the cell, but if you think you're going to need to change them, it's probably a good idea to just set them up in a separate part of the spreadsheet. So as always, I begin by clicking where I want the answer to go. I go up to my formulas tab, I go to logical, and I go to the third one down, which is my if function. Now let's just have a look at the structure of this first. Right. The first part is the logical test. So what do I want to evaluate? In this case, I want to find out, are the scores for this first one greater than 50 or not? Now, by the way, it's completely irrelevant if the answer to the first one is yes or no. The question you have to ask is, are this one here, the scores, greater than or equal to 50? Now, I need to do one more thing with this E12. I need to fix it so that it doesn't change as I copy down. And the way I do that is then when the cursor is there beside the E12, I press F4 on the keyboard and that inserts dollar signs. And I've also kind of dealt with this also in another blog posting as well, and I'll put a link to that in the post in the blog. Alright, value if true. Okay, so if that's true, the comment we want to appear is love them. Now if you type the answer directly into the cell, or a text answer directly into the cell, what you need to do is you need to put in quotation marks. Otherwise Excel is going to give you a name error. Now again, I want to fix this so that it doesn't change the copy down, so I press F4 again. And if it's false, what I want to appear is this one here, which is hate them, and I press F4 again, and that fixes them. And I click OK. Now when I copy this down, and remember this little trick of double clicking on it, you see, anywhere I have love them, hate them, below that is hate them. And if I decide to change the scoring here, right, let's say to change it down up to a 60, you see that some of them now have become, you know, ABC has gone into the rank of being hated. Let me just change it back down to 50 again. Now if you want to there's also another additional sheet on this file called actual versus predicted, and that could be useful maybe just to try out and practice. As always, I hope you found this useful. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to sign up for the list of Excel spreadsheets, or sorry, list of Excel shortcuts. They're completely free as always, and you can unsubscribe anytime you want to. But don't forget to come back and just check out the blog postings. I hope you found this useful. Take care. Gur maith agat slán.